loudest quiet ever seen. The horizon swallowed sun and light, drowning the day in hateful night. The wind began to shriek his name, a primal whisper turning flame. He knew his mark, the ancient scar, the hidden wound that lay so far beneath the crust, the brittle stone, where he planned to claim his throne. Right, right. The devil rides the lightning down from the blackest burning sky. Strike, strike. The earth is agonizing, 1,000 tremors, no place to fly. He cracked the core with electric speed to plant the root of a terrible seed. The day the devil rode the lightning and broke the world with his desire. The bolt was buried wide and deep, where earth had promised it would sleep. It didn't crack, it didn't burn, it snapped the core with savage tone. The bedrock screamed 100 miles, shattering cities, breaking aisles of mountains where the peaks did fall. An electric shock that pierced through all. The lava surged from wounded ground, 1,000 cannons without sound, except the tremor low and vast, the agonizing die that's cast. They called it solid, they called it sure, a planet built to long endure. They locked their faith in granite walls. They never dreamed how quickly it falls. Oh, the limits of their fear, to think the damage ends right here. The lightning was only a whip of the wind. The final long nightmare has just begun.